What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Caesar. I got another unboxing for you guys. I hit up the Nike app. My wife hit up the Nike app. We doubled up. We got Air Jordan 1 Mid. It's the All-Star Weeks, also known as the Carbon Fibers. And they are a clean pair. I do got to mention that I got a size 7. So size 7 was killing it in the resale game. You guys, I already sold this. And this is the first time me selling something before I actually got it in the mail. And you got to do it like that if you want to collect the most money possible. So I sold them on GOAT. I am on the highest tier of GOAT. So, you know, even what you do is, all they do is take away 10 points. So each shoe sale you get is a 2-pointer. So you have to sell 5 shoes to get those 10 points. So, you know, if I canceled the order, if it didn't get here on time, whatever happened, it would have been minus 10 points. But I did sell them yesterday. They did come today. I made sure that I had the tracking ID and I made sure I tracked it and everything, and it was on its way and everything was good. And I'm just so happy it got here because I was able to get the most. So I made a clean $90 after fees and everything off of GOAT. So it just took a couple seconds to get this, and $90 is not bad at all. I mean, there's a lot of people that talk smack about resellers, but like, who wouldn't want to make $90 in a few seconds? You guys let me know in the comment box below if you wouldn't like to make $90 in a couple seconds, and a legit way. This is legit, we're talking here. Okay, so that is a size 7. So size 7 was very profitable. Back here we got a size 8 because the size 7 was all bought up. And the reason the size 7 is my lucky number, my favorite shoe to go for, is because it's for males with small feet. It's for kids, it's for boys, it's also for girls, and it's also for grown women. So it appeals to all 4 marketplaces. And sometimes they just make an adult shoe, so the smallest size is a 7. So sometimes they don't make grade school, preschool, and toddlers and all that stuff. Sometimes all it is an adult shoe. So if somebody's trying to rock it, they could be a size 6. If they're trying to rock the shoe and they really like it, they're gonna buy a size 7. So that's why I love size 7, because it caters to everybody. Okay, so let's open it up. And so the size 8, it's only gonna be a $35 profit. I haven't sold it yet. It should be selling soon. But look at this here. I just wanted to give you guys a closer look. Like, man, this is so clean. This is a pair. If you're gonna hold anything, I believe if you hold this for a little bit, couple months, I think that you'd get a good return, because this is a clean looking sneaker. Like, the colorway is on point, like black and white. What can't you throw on outfit that you can't throw on wearing this shoe right here? You guys, it's beautiful. Like, look at it. It's that shiny patent leather. Like, I love it. You got the white Air Jordan 1 symbol right there, the wings. And it does not come with another pair of laces, but like these laces, this is it. What else do you need? Like, you could throw some white laces on here, but I really liked how it looks with the black laces. And then you guys, for some reason, it just looks like it's that Mercedes sign. For whatever reason, they did like the Jordan with the circle that looks like the Mercedes sign on this one. But it is a clean pair. So back to like selling before you actually get the shoe. It was very nerve-wracking. It was my first time, and I really liked selling it like that, because if I would have waited to today until I get the shoes in hand, which everybody else is waiting for the same thing, once people start receiving it, and I am on the West Coast, so people on the East Coast, they're 3 hours ahead. They're getting their shoes, they're listing them, they're selling them, and then so that means me over here in San Diego, I'm behind 3 hours. So by the time I get my shoes and try to list them, I lost whatever, $40 right there, depending on what it was. I really didn't look for this size, because I knew that after release date, it slowly starts to dwindle down. Once everybody gets their pairs, and then it could slowly start building back up. That could be a week, 2 weeks, But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it. Any questions down in the comment box below. Consider subscribing. I'll check you guys out on the next video.